Hi friends, it's Mrs. Jared from East Washington Academy. Today we're going to be looking at double O words. Now, in the past I've always told you that when you have two vowels together, the first one says its name, such as an A and E might be an A sound. Well, today we are dealing with double O. Different kind of a problem because those two make their own sound. You're going to notice that you have a chart. You're going to drag words and drop them into words that sound like as in the word good, or ooh as in the word room. So you're going to read the words, drag the words, and I would check your work by saying, say your word and then check it against good or check your word against room. That way you are ensured that you have made the correct choice. Time for you to drag and drop and read a lot. I'll see you soon.